XRP Ripple versus Ethereum. Before we compare XRP Ripple versus Ethereum, let's take a look at the differences between the virtual currencies. While they all share the same technology, the three virtual currencies have different fields of activity and varying amounts of public awareness. However, Ripple is less known by mainstream investors, so it would be prudent to purchase the coin when its price is undervalued and the future value is not fully understood. Ethereum is a more dependable investment if you plan to hold it for 3 to 5 years. XRP Ripple, when you're considering buying a cryptocurrency, you probably already heard of Ripple and Bitcoin. But how do you decide which one is best? Both are gaining popularity as alternative currencies, and the question is, which one is right for you? Let's find out. Ripple is a digital currency that works much like a traditional currency. Ethereum is a more complex system, but Ripple is easily understood. There are some important differences between the two. While they both have unique advantages, Ripple is targeted mainly at big banks, customers like JP Morgan and Bank of America. Ethereum, on the other hand, can be used for a variety of decentralized financial services. The key difference between the two cryptocurrencies is their use of different algorithms, known as consensus mechanisms. Ripple, more readily accepted, has more users, while Ethereum, not as popular. Both Ripple and Ethereum are powered by blockchain technology. Blockchain technology allows for decentralized apps and smart contracts to run across a network of computers free from interference of central authority. Smart contracts are written as lines of code and can automatically enforce clauses. The two cryptocurrencies also use the same currency, Ether, to process transactions. Ethereum uses a distributed database while Ripple uses a distributed ledger. In terms of a brighter use case, Ripple allows global payments in real time. By eliminating the friction between exchange and rate of currencies, it is transforming the global payment infrastructure. Meanwhile, Ethereum uses smart contracts to facilitate decentralization applications and extends the reach of blockchain technology. Ethereum allows for decentralization applications without downtime, fraud, or interference. They're also a good choice for businesses that need decentralization payment infrastructure. Ethereum, if you want to know more about how cryptocurrencies work, you should compare Ripple versus Ethereum. Both of these digital currencies are based off of blockchain technology. In addition, they are free and open source. You should also take into consideration how they compare to Bitcoin. The key to success in crypto trading is finding a cryptocurrency that is right for you. If you're a beginner, you should start with Ripple maybe, which has a very low price. Ripple's future is bright and has weathered many downturns and definitely the pandemic. However, the prices have hit hard by the SEC ruling in December 2020. It fell under 25 cents and prices have recovered well. Unlike Ethereum, however, Ripple has not experienced the same huge price increases as Ethereum. In April, XRP reached prices of $1.09, a 250% increase from the start of the year. Ethereum's transaction speed is a major drawback. The platform is currently limited to 15 transactions per second. This can make it slow for some people. However, the network has recently experienced problems when a popular Ethereum dApp, CryptoKitties, processed more transactions than the system can handle. The Ethereum team has acknowledged these issues and is currently working on ways to improve the transactional speed. However, until Ethereum 2.0 is launched, there are two apart ways to get this going. Key differences between Ripple and Ethereum are their scalability. Ripple uses a blockchain technology that allows to transfer money in real time. Ethereum, on the other hand, is a global open source decentralization platform that allows users to write code that controls digital value. As long as they follow the rules, the blockchain will function accordingly to the programming code. Ethereum is accessible to everyone in the world. Litecoin. There's no clear winner between XRP and Ethereum. However, both cryptocurrencies have great potential and are here to stay. There are several factors that make each a better choice in a variety of situations. Let's talk about some of the differences between the two cryptocurrencies. Ripple aims to disrupt the market in a different way than Bitcoin. For example, it uses XRP to store wealth trading instrument and hedge against inflation. Inflationary pressures are a real concern in the present, and XRP offers this adjustment. XRP's coins represent a transfer value across the network. When Ripple first launched, it created 100 billion XRP coins. They recently added an escrow system for unused tokens. Essentially, this means that you can sell and buy XRP automatically, place them back in escrow. This way you can protect yourself and your business. While both Litecoin and Ripple have limited number of coins, both still make very different waves in the crypto market. Ripple was founded in 2012, while Litecoin was founded in 2011. The main goal behind the cryptocurrencies was a peer-to-peer transactional system. Two cryptocurrencies have a bright future in the blockchain technology industry, and each have issues that need to be addressed before they get too big. While XRP has a higher market cap, it's still a relatively new technology. It is decades away from becoming used for a variety of purposes. While it's a great investment, it has a high risk of obscurity if not adopted properly. As a result, it's a risky investment. Despite its potential, XRP is a promising new technology that could potentially become the next big thing. If it's successful, it will challenge Bitcoin as the #1 cryptocurrency. Internet computer. If you're interested in cryptocurrencies but aren't sure which ones to choose, you may want to check out the Ripple and Ethereum. Both are digital cryptocurrencies, but each have their own benefits. Ethereum is one of the most popular cryptocurrencies, and Ripple is an alternative. Both cryptocurrencies are good choices for making small transactions. However, they both differ largely in their applications and pricing. To help you decide which one to use, let's examine some of the pros and cons of each. Ripple uses an unusual form of blockchain technology called consensus protocol to approve transactions. It asks networks of gateways to agree on an order in which actions are added to the block. The network takes a majority view and has claimed that this has many advantages over other blockchain systems. Critics of Ripple Labs' system, however, say it lacks this decentralization and it's a fork of the Ethereum network. Ripple is the most popular cryptocurrency, but it isn't without its challenges. The SEC has filed a lawsuit against Ripple in December 2020 based on the idea that Ripple is problematic. So, keeping this in mind, you want to make sure that we understand that Ripple is going through some stuff. It's believed that XRP had issues with security. This is an incorrect assumption, as XRP have traded on the open market without restrictions. The main problem of XRP with the contract of Ripple is the currency, but the SEC is waging a war on the cryptos in the US, technically, when it comes to the ability to decentralize or centralize. So in the future, you want to keep this in mind. For investors seeking a steady stream of profits, Ethereum is a good asset to invest in. HODLERS holders should be patient enough to wait for the right time to buy cryptocurrencies. So this is also important so that you can understand when you want to jump in and when you want to buy cryptocurrencies, as it can be very beneficial for you in your planning. It should be once the market stabilizes and when the market's getting good. You won't lose money on either one if you invest patiently and wait for the market to go closely. Ripple, the question that always arises in the mind of cryptocurrency enthusiasts is what exactly are the difference between Ethereum and Ripple? The Ethereum network enables smart contracts and decentralized applications. So this is something that we really want to keep an eye on and watch out for. That Ripple and Ethereum have similar functions, but Ripple and Ethereum enable specific contracts and decentralization based off of a few key differences. So this is something to keep in mind. The applications run across a network of computers without any central authority. Smart contracts written in JavaScript language can enforce clauses automatically and can reduce the use of electricity. Both platforms are powered by the same situation of cryptocurrency called Ether. Despite the similarities, the difference between them is still largely immaterial. Ethereum has its own problems that need to be solved. The current global network of Ethereum can only support about 15 transactions per second. As of this reading, Ethereum has been announced the proof-of-stake plasma shareholding solution. Both systems are gaining ground. Ripple briefly surpassed Ethereum in January 2018. The two currencies are now the third most popular. 2017 alone, Ripple grew the value of 3,800%, making it the second most valuable cryptocurrency, obviously behind Bitcoin. Whether or not to buy either Ethereum or Ripple is a decision you're going to have to make, but you need to understand the pros and advantages and disadvantages of each. Both are strong, decentralized digital assets becoming more popular. But which one is better depends on your personal circumstances, attitudes towards risk, and financial goals. In either case, it's important to remember that cryptocurrencies are not a guaranteed way to make money. Therefore, you must conduct your due diligence and understand how each of them work before investing. Why Ethereum is a decentralized open source platform? Ripple uses pseudo cryptocurrency technology to provide frictionless experience. Both Ethereum and Ripple enable you to transfer funds between cryptocurrencies for nearly no cost. They both enable smart contracts, which allow you to write code that controls digital value. They're globally accessible, and both are open to developers. The benefits of both are similar. However, the blockchain technology behind Ethereum is more powerful. Should you buy XRP, Ripple, or Ethereum? The main questions on the mind of cryptocurrency users is which one should you buy and why? As we talk about it in this video, you're going to be able to have more information so you can make the appropriate choice for you. However, before you do so, it's important to understand a little bit about each of these coins. There are many pros and cons of each, and you need to know which one is right for you. XRP Ripple, if you're unsure which cryptocurrency to purchase, you need to learn more about XRP, general type of cryptocurrency that works similar to Bitcoin. So XRP is a very popular cryptocurrency. And again, this works very close to Bitcoin. And this is something that you should know when you get into XRP. It's traded on the exchanges such as Binance and PNX. So you cannot purchase XRP with government-issued currencies. You need to purchase through Bitcoin or Ethereum first, then transfer the funds to the exchange. This is important as you get involved with this particular cryptocurrency. The XRP transaction fee is 0.00001% of XRP. The transaction fee is negligible in most cases, and it's used to bridge currency, allowing financial institutions to trade currencies without affecting their bottom line. This is a very important and big and great idea to keep in mind when you're looking into some of these cryptocurrencies, because affecting the bottom line is very important to companies. So understanding where Ripple and Ethereum fall in line can be very helpful for you as you make your investing decisions. So you want to make sure you keep an eye on this. Now, Ripple is also an alternative currency for investors. Now, this is also a very important concept to understand, because when you're using Ripple as an investor, you want to make sure that you have the ability to use diversification. Now, financial institutions, they hold off on various forms of money, of fiat money, when it comes to XRP. XRP uses a consensus protocol to verify transactions. Validators use proposed transactions in the latest version of the XRP ledger, and it must be approved by the majority of validators. Despite claims of decentralization, Ripple's team currently controls 52% of XRP in circulation. This means that the Ripple team is motivated to keep the cryptocurrency in circulation. They will distribute the value of XRP if they release too much. In addition to a large portion of XRP is held in reserve by Ripple, Ripple is not a security, but is an alternative to Ethereum. Both Ripple and Ethereum rely on the blockchain technology to validate transactions. This network enables decentralized apps and smart contracts to run on computers without interference of a central authority. Smart contracts are made of lines of code and can enforce clauses automatically. They either use tokens that can process the network transactions. The blockchain protocol helps to prevent double spending. Although Ethereum and Ripple, you want to keep in mind that both of them, as cryptocurrencies, share many properties. So why they have many differences, they both do have specific circumstances where they share the same value. The two are very much alike in certain aspects, as they are very popular coins within the cryptocurrency space. If you get involved in one of these, you're not really setting yourself up to be in a bad place, but you want to keep an eye on how they can work, because the two cryptocurrencies are similar in value, but they're not identical. ETH, which is better? Ethereum or Ripple? When it comes down to which is better, it's really going to come down to you and what you want to use each for and how it's going to benefit you. Understanding now some of the differences and how they work and how they network, go ahead and do a little bit more digging and do your own due diligence. We're going to have more videos about this on the channel where you can actually dive in and see more of a glimpse on how these work and how they can help you out yourself. Ripple versus Ethereum, Ripple or Ethereum. These are both really good options for you. I would recommend that if you like them both, maybe take a look at both. If you need to pick one or the other, continue to find information about each one where you can make a concrete decision on which one is best for you and for your investment portfolio. Keep in mind when you're looking into cryptocurrency and finding ways that you can be proactive in investing in cryptocurrency, it's always important for you to understand what your financial goals are and what you're looking to do. If you can make a strategy and formulate a great plan, then you can go ahead and build a team. Building a team can really be beneficial for you to not only understand how these things work, but maybe learn from those who've done it before and put those in a team that have expert experiences in specific situations where they can help each part of the project grow. For example, if there's someone that's really good at Ripple, they can handle the Ripple aspect. If there's someone that's really good at Ethereum, they can handle the Ethereum aspect. If there is someone that is really good at Bitcoin and understands Bitcoin, they can handle the Bitcoin aspect. And for anything else, for example, like real estate, if you have some sort of investment in there, if there's something like that going on, you can have someone handle that aspect. So keep in mind that there's different ways to utilize information for your investment, but utilizing strategy can be very beneficial for you.